Hi, I'm Dan, the Dent Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to take a photo of your dent in just 4 easy steps. Step 1, start with a clean panel. Step 2, don't stand directly in front of the dent, move off to the side about a 45-degree angle. Step 3, find a straight line in the reflection and center the dent on that, just like the gutter on this house. Step 4, make sure you're far enough away so we can see where the dent is on the panel. You can find us on the web at thedentguy.com. You can text us your photos at 585-721-6945, or you can email us at dentrepair@thedentguy.com.